Hello, editors. Today I am going to add something that you will be allowed to edit on my site, again, maturenews.com. So, of course, you want to go to the Editors tab, and if you haven't already, fill out the editor application with the information listed in this video, and you can have examples in this video. But you will notice that the agreement is a bit different. So, instead of agreeing to responsibly edit the site only in the articles section, there's a new trivia section, and that is what I will be explaining in this video today. So, you'll fill out the application. I'll authorize you to be an editor. If you want to see what that process looks like, go and click and watch this video. So, if you want to add your own trivia, my trivia, I do trivia challenges. If you want to add your own trivia, go to Online Quiz Creator. You can just search it up using Google, and then click this one, onlinequizcreator.com. So what you're going to do, you can register if you do not already have an account, and just do the Tiny Owl setting. $0 per month is free. And if that's all that you need for the quizzes you're going to be doing, unless you really want to be able to have other additional features, then you can go ahead and pay money for the other ones. But this one's free, so I figured. So you have to enter your email address, whatever, joeschmo@gmail.com, whatnot, blah blah. You're gonna repeat it. It's already taken. Okay, joeschmo1. Alright, your username, so maybe joeschmo1, okay, and then your password, blah blah blah, apples, alright, that's just an example. Oh, agree with the terms, my fault, save it. This is just an example. Then you'll go to quizzes, new quiz. Title for your quiz. Don't do the trivia challenge, because that's just to signify that I, the webmaster, do that. You can do certain category, like maybe European trivia or something like that. And it can be a category like that, or it can just be about current events in general. So that title could be just current event. You could make it just current events, or something like that. So you're gonna, if you didn't see me do that, you're gonna click plus new question. Question 1. When? I think I've already used this in a. No, I haven't, sorry. When was the Berlin Wall torn down? Well, I'd put correct answer, I believe it was 1989. Or to be more specific, I do. In what year was the Berlin Wall torn down? So the correct answer is 1989. You can put wrong answers. They can be close, like maybe 1986 to fool people. Or maybe you could have an outlier like 1923, maybe just something completely, or rather current, 2006. Now, this again, you don't, for the trivia, it can be current events, like for the trivia challenges I'm doing, the events are all current, but if you're doing European trivia, it could be, to be more specific, you could say European history, so just trivia about European history. I will add that to be more specific, that it's not current events necessarily in Europe, it's the history as a whole, so the Berlin Wall would fit that. So I could do quiz dashboard. Sorry. Go to settings, quiz title, European history trivia, because that would be more accurate, specific. Then you can have all these settings. To keep it consistent, again, I'm all about consistency. Start quiz button text would be start quiz. Use the time 30 seconds generally. Show rankings, do show rankings on quiz start page, and in the ranking only list 10. And then choose this checkbox. So if you see any checkboxes, check them. Yes. And you can also say an introduction, like, for example, take this quiz to test your knowledge on the extensive history of Europe. Something like that. And then you'd save it. Alright. So now what you want to do, if you want to just test it out, you can play the quiz. I'll do 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 little countdown, and then you'll be able to select 1989. Alright. And it is also dependent on your scores would be dependent on the amount of time you take. So again, I generally do 30 seconds for each, but you don't. I guess if you have a longer quiz and you want to extend the time, you can. But what I do is around probably 10 to 15 questions, 30 seconds each. So that is a good quiz guideline. So what you do, X out of this, go to publish and share to put this on the website. Then select all of this, copy it. As an editor, you'll have access to Weebly, so you'll be able to go on to edit. And you can go into trivia, the trivia tab on this menu bar right here. And you see I've put that there. What you're going to do on the sidebar editor, you're going to want to put do this under my trivia challenge. It just makes it easier. So I mean, it doesn't necessarily matter. But I just like to have a generic trivia challenge up there just for anybody to look at. Alright, so now you're going to paste that code that you copied over from the publish and share section of the site. And look, there you are. And once you publish it, it will be up and running. So I'm not going to use this. But once you publish it, it will look something like this. And you'll be able to take the quiz. Alright? So, I encourage you to do trivia challenges on various history, whatever, current events, news. I'd even authorize you, in some occasions, to do sports and stuff like that, and the entertainment industry. So this is kind of another interactive, fun way to get readers a more memorable experience at the website, maturenews.com. So thanks for taking the time to watch this video, and thank you if you end up contributing a trivia quiz on the site. Thanks again, and go submit some trivia quizzes. Thank you.